everyone, welcome to Machine Tip Tuesday. Today I'm here with Barb and she's going to be showing us the pivoting feature. And here is Barb.
Hello, hello. Okay, first I want to show you that this is the foot I'm going to use. This is called the open toe, and this is a metal foot. It also comes in plastic, but it's a wonderful foot. See that space I have in there? Isn't that great?
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you again how to put it on your machine.
Perfect.
There's lots of ways to do it, but this way it's going to save your machine. So first, see, my foot is up. I've dropped my foot off. I don't have a foot on there. I'm going to push the button right there to make the foot, the ankle shank go down.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm going to reach behind and manually lift that up and set the foot in. Do you want to see why I do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I drop the foot off again. If I come up here and think, okay, I'm going to just aim and try to get that about right. Oh, I missed. Oh, let me try. Oh, I missed. I got it that time. But think how much easier that is when you put your foot down, raise it up back here, and put it in the saddle.
Oh, so much easier.
That is so much easier. And then you're not going to chip your feet up and chip your ankle shank up, and you have done it. All right, I'm going to raise my foot up because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some applique here. Now, these are beautiful colors, but I wanted you to see the fabric away from the stitch.
Okay.
Otherwise, I don't want them to match. That's a beautiful flower on an orange background. So over here, I have chosen my Q12 stitch, and that is a beautiful applique stitch.
Okay.
Okay, right over there, you can see it. We're working on the aria today, and many of our machines, actually several of our machines, have this pivoting feature, which is so wonderful. I want you to look right here. I'm going to push that button. See how that went dark?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to push that button.
Okay.
That's my pivoting feature. So what that's going to do is that every time I take my foot off the gas,
Okay.
that foot is going to raise. Let me do it over here where I'm not going to be doing any sewing, but I want you to see what happens. Okay, I'm going to let my foot up off the gas. Up comes the foot. I'm going to go down again, and I put my foot on the gas. It makes the foot go back down. Now, why do you think you'd want to do that? Any idea? Crazy, I know. Cut my threads there. I'm going to go right on my project now, and it looks like I'm going to be inside. Okay, so I'm going to applique this flower onto this fabric. So to do that, you see how I'm going to go around this? But oh dear, I'm getting in trouble. It's starting to buckle on me. But if I let my foot off the gas, it raises the foot. I don't have to take my hands off the project at all. And there it goes. See how it kind of gets buckled? I can go every stitch and let the foot up. And I'm not doing anything with my hands. I am hanging on to this with dear life. Sometimes you have to. Do you see what a time saver this is? I love this feature. Now the Crescendo has it, the Aria has it, the Destiny has it, and many of the other machines below this will have it. Just when you come in to look at a machine, make sure that you get that feature because that is something you will use and use and use. I mean, I can see reasons to use it even if I wasn't doing applique. We were sewing strips of rugs together, and when we turned that corner, it would start to buckle, and because we used our pivoting feature, we could go around that corner and not have any problem. This is almost mesmerizing. You just want to sit and watch it work.
I know, I am pretty mesmerized actually.
Okay, that is what I wanted to show you today.
Perfect.
And I want you to show you.
Awesome.
Look at how nice that is. Let
Wow,
me tell you
everyone,
another
can you see
reason.
that?
Let me tell you another reason I would use that pivoting feature. If I were just piecing together. So I'm going to go in my Q2 stitch.
Okay.
I'm right here in my Q2 stitch. I'm going to put my pivoting feature on, my thread cutter on, or my reinforcement and my thread cutter.
Okay.
Okay, so pretend like I'm just piecing together right here. Look what happens. I let my foot off the gas, tell it I want to cut, all in one step.
Oh wow.
It reinforces, cuts my stitch, and raises my foot.
That
Can you
is
imagine
nice.
what a time saver that is? I love it. All right. Oh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty?
Beautiful.
I love it. All right, thanks, McKaylee.
Bye. Thanks for watching,
Goodbye.
girlfriend.